Hello everyone, welcome to PasseriRC channel. This video I'm going to talk about the Hoverlight 01 version 2 with the front independent suspension system. So I think those already see it on the Le Mans, okay, and you already know it works very well for a very good turning, sharp corner turning, and it gives a little bit complication structures, okay, on the HORC. Okay, on the new chassis I have fine-tuned some tolerance, okay. You see the matching on the carbon CNC, a little bit fine-tuned on the gearbox, and the most important thing is I want to talk about the front suspension. It's independent. Alright, so it is already on my own build, and I already tested this for like more than half year. So if you already watched my videos, and you will know. So the version 2 chassis kit will come with this bar CNC front axle with independent suspensions, and surely, as always, I will do fine-tune and pre-assemble for you. And there's a micro spring inside and included. Alright, so don't worry, I will include spare parts for you. So don't be scared, okay? This is like 14 LEDs built on this Porsche. What purpose on this independent suspension is for avoid when you turn. There's a big chance one wheel will become like not touching the surface. So the suspension got that effect to make 4 wheels totally catching the surface for doing more sharp turning. I can tell you this design can let you to turn a very small circle, like this circle, about like a 50 mm. So it's online now, and this time I got 9 different example chassis body, the middle body, okay, with 6 different wheelbase for you to choose. The example is for you to got a concept, more like you're going to build. For an example, I'm going to build a Hopper BMW 3.0, then I will need to have like a 28.5 mm wheelbase. So you will see it on my Facebook page, okay, the IDW PasseriRC Facebook page, and you will see some pictures. And on my store, Facebook store, you will see there's a choice for you to choose your favorite wheelbase, okay? Or if you got special needs, special wheelbase you need, you can let me know and I will see what I can do for you. And there's a new service for HORC builders. If you want to have a special LED mount, okay, what is the LED mount? I need to expand a little bit. Okay, so the LED mount is a special design for each model of the car. Like for example, this winking Porsche, everything is soldered together with the chassis. Okay, that means you can always change a different color of the enclosure or canopy. Okay, anything you can call anytime. So I have made like 4 colors, okay, for me to show off when go to have a dinner or event with my teammate. So this is special design, okay, for each model, but it costs time and costs some handling charge, okay, design fee. So if you really need me to do something for you, okay, such as this tailor-made LED mount, just let me know. At this moment I got 3 designs, okay. If you watch my video and you will know the AWZ P7T, the Porsche, the winking Porsche, and the winking VWT1. Okay, I got these 3 existing model of the LED mounts for you to choose. If you order the 26mm, 27.2 mm chassis, and if you are going to build that 3 models, then you let me know and I can print it for you with a very friendly price. Okay, so and I want to thank you everybody. I have sold a batch of the chassis kit this month. Is enough for me to continue my development. Okay, thank you. Coming next year, I will have more new designs and more awesome development coming. Okay, such as the 4W line. My apologies, it's 4WD line. Is the Mercedes-Benz G55 and Land Rover, and will come the waistline version 2 maybe. Okay, please stay tuned. Say a very early Christmas here. Okay, today is 15 December. Okay, so good luck to your bills and happy every day. Thank you.